Welcome my lovely community. Today I have such a nice and quick recipe for you. Let me show you how to make a very refreshing cucumber lemonade and also a virgin margarita. If you want to see more drink recipes on my channel, please click the link below. I made already a blackberry mocktail, which is absolutely amazing. So I will post all the information below this video so you can check them out. Also, another information, if you are bored with drinking just plain water on ketogenic diet, I also made a video what you can drink and actually enjoy drinking on a ketogenic diet. So let's get started. First, let me show you how to make cucumber lemonade. What we need is sliced cucumber, sliced lemon, lime, mint, some ice and some spring water. This is super easy recipe, but you know, if you really don't know what to drink or you're bored with all the drinks, this is some options for you. Great for, you know, summertime. I know it's winter, but still I really enjoy it anytime during the year. Okay, so let's put our cucumber on the bottom of the dish. Lemon. I will squeeze one lime. Add ice. Mint, and this is pretty much it. Our first delicious cucumber lemonade is ready. If you want, you can also add a little bit of sweetener, keto sweetener. I am adding stevia glycinate. If you want to know what type of sugar are allowed sweetener on ketogenic diet, please check my video about keto sweeteners on ketogenic diet. Quick stir. And trust me, this is very refreshing drink. All right, let me try. Cheers. I love it. Okay. Let's move to a virgin margarita. I will show you 3 ways how we can enjoy this one recipe. We can make popsicles, amazing dessert. I will show you in a moment how to do that, and drink. All right, so let's start with drink. I will post the recipe below the video. I am going to add sliced lemon and lime. Next, half a cup of swerve. Next, we are squeezing our lime. lemon. We need about 4 lemons and 2 limes for servings. Let's stir. Let's add a little bit of orange extract. You can also add tangerine. I don't have orange, so I am using tangerine. And spring water. Wow, smells so citrusy, so refreshing. All right, so let's do a taste test. Yeah, it is really delicious. Let's turn this delicious elixir into dessert. This dessert, it's one of my favorite ones. So all you need to do is just add a lot of ice in your blender and strain the juice. Let's blend it up. Okay, and our dessert is ready. And the last thing that we can do with this recipe is just make some popsicles. You need to put this to freezer for a few hours and our popsicle are ready. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like all the recipes. Please comment below the video if you have some question to me, and if you want me to make some other video for you regarding ketogenic lifestyle. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Bye!